it's Mehek. I was just kidding. Hello friends, my name is Mehek. Today we will cook fruits and vegetables. And I am not eating the fruits and vegetables. My friend Rat and this tiger is gonna eat it, not me. Because I'm full, because the last video I eat all the foods. That's why I'm full now. It's my cooking place, it's the kitchen, and this is the fridge. And there's more, it's a glass, there's two glass, one is yellow, one is no color, means like brown. There is a kitchen, small kitchen, everything is here. Now we will start cooking. Okay, let's get down. See how much. Let's put our chopper board that we can cut the vegetables and put it here to cook. It's my knife. And be careful with knife because it can cut anything like your arm or leg. Hard because I just used the knife. I was just playing with the knife and suddenly it got out from my hand and go to my leg, and then my leg get hurt. Okay, now let's start cooking. Okay. There is my mouse and my tiger. It's my pet. It's a little scary pet. This is not scary because it's old. And this is not scary because it's a kid. If it gets big, then I will just not take care of it, and I will give him to go to the zoo. I will give the tiger to the zoo, and the rat will die because the rat is very old and the tiger is very young. So it's my tiger. When he gets bigger, I will put the tiger in the zoo. Okay, we start cooking. Let's start cutting first. Okay, let's cook healthy, unhealthy. Like the healthiest vegetables, many, and unhealthiest chocolates, then cakes, puddings. They're unhealthy. You can have some chocolate cake, but not every day. If you want really every day, you cannot because it's unhealthy. It can make your tummy hurt. That's why don't eat too much unhealthy food. Oh my God! One piece for one day and one piece for today. We will cook two foods because there is only two. If I make many foods, they can't eat it and they will waste food. Wasting food is not good because the food is hard to make. If you waste your food, it will be very bad because your mom gets all the work and your mom doesn't rest. She always needs to do the work, and she will be very sad if you don't eat the food and waste the food. Your mom will be very sad because she made the food very hardly, and if you don't eat it and waste the food, it will be bad. And always remember that if it's bad, just try to eat it, because its mom will be very sad if you say that it's so bad. So let's cook it. Remember that not wasting food, and tell your mom that. Okay, let's start cooking. Tell your mom that not too much food to cook. Okay, let's put the broccoli in a plate. It's hard to make food because it's very hard. I told you that. Your mom does many work, not only cooking food, and when you go to school you think that mom always rests and we do hard work at the school. No, it's not right. Mom always tries her best to make yummy food for you. Okay friends, remember, don't waste food. Let's put one over there and put the one there. Oops. It was very hard to cook. Okay, let's just use the other things that I put it for the next step. Here first, don't tell anything. Let's put it, it's done. It's the fork. Hard work. And I'm only playing. And your mom does the real work. Sometimes your mom makes food but they burn their arms. But they do their best to make some food. And don't be mean to your mom, because your mom makes you happy all the time. Okay, let's give our tiger let's give the food to the pets, my pets. I just said fats. They're not fat. Okay. Patties, come and eat. Delicious. It's a delicious, thank you. You're welcome. Let's go eat our food. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.